डिजाइनटेक सिस्टम लिमिटेड सीएडी, सीएम, सीएई, पीएलएम और एडिटिव निर्माण तकनीकों में एक जाना माना नाम है, जिसमें भारत, नेपाल, बांग्लादेश, मालदीव, श्रीलंका और भूटान में फैक्स पैटर्न्स के निर्माण के लिए हाई प्रिसिशन 3D प्रिंटर्स की डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हेतु सॉलिडस्केप के साथ गारंटी भागीदारी की घोषणा की है। डिजाइनटेक 3D प्रिंटिंग कस्टम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सॉल्यूशन के विस्तार करने एवं अपनाने में समर्थन के लिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर विकसित करेगी। सॉलिडस्केप 3D प्रिंटर्स अपनी अल्ट्रा फाइन फीचर विवरणों के निर्माण क्षमता और कस्टम ज्वेलरी निर्माण, हाई प्रिसिशन कास्टिंग तथा एडवांस बायोमेडिकल रिसर्च जैसे एप्लीकेशंस हेतु एक प्राथमिक तकनीक के लिए पहचाना जाता है। भारत प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन, इंजीनियरिंग और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लिए एक पसंदीदा वैश्विक गंतव्य स्थान के रूप में उभर रहा है, जो इसे 3D प्रिंटिंग की कार्यनीति के लिए महत्वपूर्ण देश बना रहा है। भारत सरकार भारत में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री को बढ़ावा देने के लिए बेहतरीन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर निर्माण पर लक्ष्य केंद्रित करने के साथ ही सर्वश्रेष्ठता के वैश्विक मानकों से मेल खाने के लिए R&D सुविधाएं की अपग्रेडिंग के लिए भी निवेश कर रही है। इस बारे में श्री फेबियो एप्सो सिटी प्रेसिडेंट सॉलिडस्केप ने क्या कहा, आइए जानते हैं।
Well, it's thanks to the combination of two different materials. Basically what we do, we deposit drops one next to the other to build the shape. And then at each layer we lower the table, we flatten the surface, and then we continue to build one layer on top of the other to form the shape. The 3D printing industry in India is, in the last few years, has been on a very fast growth. India, being a manufacturing hub with predominant production and mass production, is increasing the demand for 3D printing. So the exact numbers, of course, are published. I don't want to use numbers that eventually are not accurate, but it's definitely in the several millions of dollars in terms of printer sales. And then, of course, in addition to this, you need to consider revenue that comes from materials, parts, consumables. But it's a growing market. First of all, Solidscape needs to consolidate its presence in India. Definitely we have had some initial penetration within the Indian market, but we look forward to the strategic partnership with DesignTech in order to basically have a much stronger presence across the whole country. So that will enable us to basically get more and deeper understanding of the market in India. And of course, increase the adoption of 3D printing in India. Now, the future plans is being India so instrumental as such a critical hub for manufacturing on a global scale. That's where Solidscape sees the future. So our investments will be in continuing developing solutions for manufacturing applications like we have today. And that's a perfect marriage with a country like India. Thank you for this question. It's a very good question because every year Solidscape has a global competition. It's called the Basel World Competition, Solidscape Basel World Competition. And what we have noticed in the last 2 years that the entries to the competition that come from India are growing exponentially. Because India is actually a great representation of very complex, intricate designs for jewelry. The Indian women are very demanding with the jewelry, especially with the precious metal, the designs, and the stones. So it's something that we have experienced in the last couple of years, and it's an exciting opportunity for us because we believe that we have the right solution to basically fulfill the demand and the expectations of the Indian ladies.
विकास खानविलकर, जो कि मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर है, उन्होंने क्या कहा, ये जानते हैं।
This technology is for, we call it a drop by demand, where we get wax and print drop by drop the material, and the layer by layer we build the component. And the drops are so precise that 1 square inch can accommodate more than 5,000 drops. So it gives a very accurate wax model of the design that we have made. This is a very special and niche technology, and it needs a lot of customer education and support to help them utilize that to their benefit. And there are people world over who have, like one customer has 100 machines, 150 machines. So even in India that may be possible, but we have to make the first step in showing the benefits of the printer to the people. And our role will be to demonstrate the technology. So we have trained people, we have machines with us, and we will demonstrate them so that they start adopting the technology. Not only Indian women, women world over are obsessed with jewelry. And what happens is the artist, by his imagination creates very creative design. But manufacturability of that creativity is a gap. And I think Solidscape kind of a printer can bridge the gap of making very creative designs and making them actually happen in reality. We are appointing the reseller network across India, and we will try to focus on all the segments where the jewelry clusters are there, where jewelry customers are there, like Chennai, Calcutta, Delhi, and of course Bombay. And apart from that, we will explore, because wherever investment casting is done for high precision components, this can be used. So we'll also explore market for Solidscape 3D printers in biomedical equipment, as well as aerospace and other industries. Space sector, biomedical engineering, and jewelry. These are the three, and of course education.
डिजाइनटेक सिस्टम लिमिटेड भारत की CAD CMC